Hello guys, I'm available with another video here. So this video is going to be on a propulsion block. Okay, so we need to understand what propulsion block is. But if you don't know about order blocks, so you will not be able to understand about proportional block. So if you don't know about order block, kindly go ahead and watch my last video regarding order block, and once you understand order block properly, then you will be able to understand the proportion block. So let me start the video and let me tell you what proportional block is, guys. Okay, so let's see if market is coming down. Okay, and creating lower low, lower high, and all of a sudden market break the recent lower high, and then creates a order block and then starts going up. Okay, and then after that come back and then create another series of candles or one single candle over here. So that is called order block. Let's see, this was the first order block. Okay, and market starts from here and then went up, and then there is a bearish candle or candles. Okay, and that becomes a proportional block. This is for bullish. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Market reacting from order block, then goes up and then create a series of candle or candles here. It should be red candles, and then bullish candle breaks this. Okay, change in the state of delivery over here or break of structure, and then price goes up and then come back here, and then this series of the candles or one single candle, that is called the proportional block for bullish market. Okay, let's take an example for bearish market. So let's see if market is going up like this, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and all of a sudden breaks the higher low, and then order block, and then another change in the state of delivery of price or break of structure, and then come back, and that will act as a proportional block. Okay, so let's see an example. So this, there was a order block for the market tapped into it and then retraced to the downside, and then this was either a break of structure to the downside, or it was a change in the state of a change in the delivery of price. Okay, and then again this will act as a proportional block. Okay, because this series over here, okay, this will act as a proportional block because it was here as a breaker block if there would be anything here, and then it was an order block and then it breaks, and then there is a change in the state of delivery of price, and then you can say that as well, or you see a break of structure over here, a swing low, or swing low is broken, and then it leave a series of candles or candle, and that acts as a proportional block. So this was all about proportional block. Okay, so now we will go to the live market and we will see how proportional block looks like in the live market. Okay, okay, so now we are on the live chart on daily market. Okay, so let's take an example of proportion block over here. So if we see here, first of all, we need to identify the order block. Okay, so this was the change in the state of price. Okay, here, if you see, okay, and then this was the market structure shift here. Okay, so change in the state of price is this, and then it acted as a order block. Okay, and then price tapped into it and went up. Okay, now let's take an example of proportion block for bullish market. Okay, let's see, we are on GBP USD on daily chart, so we need to find out the proper break of structure. Okay, so if you see the swing low is broken here with the wick, and the change in the state of price delivery is changed over here. And then if you see, this is acting as a order block. Okay, and here is also a breaker block, but we are taking this order block. This is FVG as well. Then price comes here, tapped into it and went up. Okay, so now after tapping into order block, when price is going up, we will see a series of candles here. I told you either it would be one candle or series of the candles. So when we see change in the state of price delivery here changed over here. Okay, so if you see this candle, after when this candle broke this opening price of this last red candle, then that is a change in the state of price delivery, and then price tapped into it and price flew. So price always act very fast from proportional block, and we never want to see price coming below with the 50% of the proportional block. Okay, so we what how we can entry here. uh let's see, if we have this proportion block here, so we will entry like this and SL will be below 50%, and then we can go like this. Okay, so this was for the bullish market, guys. Okay, so now we will see for the bearish market what is a proportion block and how it works in the bearish market. Okay. Okay, so now let's take an example of a bearish market. Let me find where I can find an example for bearish propulsion block. Okay, I think we find it here. Okay, yes. So now let's see, guys. Okay, if we see, this is a market structure shift over here. Okay, and then the order block, price tapped into it, give a nice sell off from here. Okay, so now this candle becomes the proportional block. Okay, and if you see, now this candle becomes a proportional block, and this was the change in the state of price delivery here. Okay, and then price tapped into it and then sells slowly it started selling, and it sell very long. So this is how proportional block works here. How can we take the entry on this? Okay, when we see this, so we could have entry over at the closing of this, and then above 50% of this price. Okay, and then we can take it for the long. Okay, so this was the example of proportional block for the bearish market. Always remember, before checking or taking entry on proportional block, you must understand what a order block is. Until unless you don't understand a bullish and bearish order block, you will make mistakes on proportional block. So first, master the order blocks, how to find order blocks. Once you find the good order block, and after you get an entry on order block, and then you get a next market structure shift or change in the state of price delivery in the same direction, then you take entry on proportional block. Proportional block is for uh, in the same direction. Proportional block is for price will continue in the same direction. If price is selling, so it will continue selling on this bearish proportional block, and if price is bullish, it will continue buying on the proportional block. Okay, that will be bullish proportional block. So this was all about proportional block. If you find this video uh, important for you, so kindly watch it properly, watch it 2 3 times, then you will be able to understand what we are talking about in this video for proportional block. And once you understand it, if you have any question or doubt, you have comment section, comment over there. I'll try to answer you guys regarding the proportional block. So any question if you have, please let me know, and I'll try to answer it. Okay, I wish you everyone happy trading. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care, bye bye.